Hi mamas, welcome back. This is not really a class, but I just wanted to talk about chest pain and chest tightness during pregnancy. I don't know if you all experience it, but I had it really bad my first pregnancy. This time around, not so much, and that's probably because I've been doing a lot of chest opening up my back and my chest, making space for the baby. So it has gotten so much better. But with my first baby, it was horrible. I felt a lot of chest pain and also pain. But the one thing that could really help you is to get you a strap. If you don't have a yoga strap, then you can use a belt or around the house. Use to wrap your hands around and to help you open up your shoulders. So just like that. That has helped me so much. So again, you just want to take your strap, maybe wrap it around your hands. You'll know the width, the distance that's perfect for you. You can always widen it out some if it's too much and extend it up, out, and behind, just like that, with a belt, a scarf, or a yoga strap. I do this all the time, every single day, because the chest pain, the tightness, the fullness that we have, it's a struggle. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten it up some because that was a little too easy for me, and that's how you can adjust it to make it fit for your body. So I do about 10 of these in the morning and even in the evening. And once I'm done doing that, I like to do a side stretch, just like this. But that's pretty much it. I have a full yoga flow for chest pain and tightness. I'll link it down below, also up here somewhere. You can also use that if you want something a little bit more, but definitely see if you can open up your chest, get some space going with a strap or a belt or a scarf. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.